ito buhaton. Ngayon, man mahubog. Ah, wala yung pagmalitan mo. Ito na sila daw ng ino, wala yung
that we have here in Malaysia, laging nandito ang Kamovers kailan.
Yes, mga lively ng dance performance.
And once again, good afternoon to each and every one of you. Welcome to this year Miss Universe 2026. I can feel the presence of each and everyone actually rooting for their candidates this afternoon.
Yes, you see it. Lahat dito from the back to the front, they have their own candidates.
Who are you rooting for, guys? Who are you rooting for? Tell me.
Candidate, which one?
Number.
Wow.
Oh,
Right here, number
three.
3. 5.
We will talk about later who's going to be this year Miss Universe 2026. But of course,
I don't like that.
kumuha tayo ng mga gagawa natin.
Yeah.
Right? We have our distinguished panel of judges para ma-determine who's going to be this year Miss Universe 2026. Para sa kanilang panalo na.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
And also we have our tabulator who will ensure our accurate results.
Okay, so let us meet the esteemed panel of judges. Starting off with
Let's start with our first judge. Is a distinguished tax and finance professional and a registered